the periodic table.
So here we have the periodic table. This is a way that scientists categorize elements. Hopefully you can see we've got bits going down and bits going across. The ones going down we call the groups, and going across we call periods. So the periodic table. There are lots of different groups and different names for them, but we're just going to keep it simple. This one will be group 1, this one will be group 2. This will be period 1 going across, period 2. Okay, so if we have a look, let's zoom in on perhaps number 40, which says Ca calcium. So Ca is the symbol for calcium. It always starts with a capital letter, then if needed, the next one is small. We've got two numbers, one above, one below. The one above we call the atomic mass, and it's a bit bigger. The one below is the atomic number. These numbers are quite important. The number at the bottom, the atomic number, tells us how many protons and how many electrons are going to be in that element. The number at the top tells us the protons and the neutrons together. So for calcium, it's got 20 protons and 20 electrons, and then it's going to have 40 protons and neutrons. So if protons is 20, it's going to also have 20 neutrons. Let's do that for a couple more. So for Mg, which is magnesium, capital M, small g, we can see the atomic number is 12, the mass number is 24. The atomic number tells us it's got 12 protons and 12 electrons. The mass number tells us it's got 24 protons and neutrons. If it's got 12 protons, it's going to have 12 neutrons. 12 and 12 makes 24. Let's go over to a different side. Let's look at aluminium. So aluminium, which is capital A, small l, it's got an atomic number of 13, 13 protons, 13 electrons, and it's got a mass number of 27, 27 protons and neutrons. If it's got 13 protons, it's going to have 27 take away 13, 14 neutrons. One more. Let's go all the way over to bromine. So bromine is capital B, small r. It's got an atomic number of 35 and a mass number of 80. It's got 35 protons and electrons. It's got 80 protons and neutrons. So if it's got 35 protons, it's going to have 80 take away 35, 45 neutrons. Excellent.